guys, welcome to the channel. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today is a Tuesday. I want to clean this place. The place is a mess. When I came back from traveling, I haven't been able to clean, so today I'm going to do that. So yeah, let's go.
So after cleaning, I went to my nail tech to fix my nails. She wasn't there, but this lady was there. She did everything for me, but I didn't like the nails. I was on leave at this time. Actually, this video has been in my archives. Just found it and I decided to post. I should have made a stop. When the polish touched it, it was so bad. This is how the place was looking. I like trying out small businesses. Anyway, she left to trim someone's eyebrows. I did my toenails as well. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.